Mobile, Alabama. If you've ever looked at a map of the Gulf Coast, you've probably seen it sitting right there on the water, sun-drenched, a little mysterious, and home to a tapestry of cultures you might not expect in the Deep South. Let's take a stroll through its past and see how this city turned into one of the most diverse communities in Alabama. First, picture the 1700s. Mobile was originally settled by the French. Their language, food, and Catholic tradition are still tucked into the city's DNA. Then, the Spanish and British swept through, each leaving behind pieces of themselves, names, architecture, and even a little attitude. But Mobile's not just a European story. Before any of that, this region was Native American land. Tribes like the Muskogee, Choctaw, and Chickasaw called these lush riverbanks home. And their descendants, like the Porch Band of Creek Indians and the Moa Band of Choctaw, still have deep roots here. And then came the port. Mobile's docks were always busy, bringing in people, goods, and ideas from all over the world. But with the growth of the slave trade, the city's population changed dramatically. Today, more than half of Mobile's residents are Black or African American. Many are descendants of those who arrived on ships against their will, and over generations, they've shaped Mobile's culture: music, food, church life, and community spirit. There's another group that gives Mobile its unique flavor: the Alabama Creoles. Not to be confused with Louisiana Cajuns, these folks are descendants of French and Spanish settlers, and their traditions like Mardi Gras celebrations make Mobile pop with color and personality. Of course, the city's story doesn't stop there. Today, about 39% of Mobilians are white, with roots stretching back to those European settlers. There's also a growing Hispanic community around 3%, bringing new flavors and traditions to the city's mix, and about 2% Asian Americans, contributing their own heritage and energy. And then you have people of two or more races, each weaving their own story into the city's ever-evolving fabric. So when you walk down the streets of Mobile, you're not just seeing one kind of Southern history, you're witnessing a crossroads of worlds, each with their own struggles and triumphs. From Native American villages to French festivals, from the legacy of slavery to the call of gospel choirs, this city's identity is a living, breathing mosaic. It's a reminder that history doesn't just live in museums or textbooks. It's in the faces, voices, and traditions of the people who call Mobile home. And if you ever get the chance to visit, look a little closer. You'll find stories everywhere you turn.